Assalamualaikum friends, this is me Syed Maz Gilani and you are watching my YouTube channel Maz Electronics. So guys, in this video I will show you how to make your own obstacle avoiding smart robot. So here is our obstacle avoiding smart robot. We can make this type of robot at home, and you can make this robot for your kids for education and other purpose. And this whole robot is made on our PCB, and you can see that here is some PCB which come from PCBWay.com. So PCBWay is a Chinese website which make high type of quality PCBs in China. So if you want to make this type of high quality PCBs, please visit PCBWay.com. So in this video I will show you how to make this all obstacle avoiding robot, and you can watch this complete video for making this type of obstacle avoiding robot. I hope you will enjoy this video and make this type of robot at your home. And also please visit PCBWay.com. And without wasting any time guys, now let's get started and make this type of robot. And now guys, I will show you how to order your PCB from PCBWay.com. First of all, here is the page of PCBWay.com. First of all, you can press this quit and off button, and when this press this button, this page will be appear, and now you can add your PCB settings, PCB parameters according to your need, and also you can adjust the colors and thickness, size, and all other requirement according to your need. And when you done all these parameters, now you can press this calculate button, and you can see that you can choose your shipping address and shipping method, DHL, FedEx, etc., and also add your email, and your order is now processed. And guys, PCBWay is also giving you biggest sale so on Christmas, and free Christmas code on $5, $10, $15, $30, $15, $50, $100, and $200. You can press this get now button and redeem your coupons, and you can see that I also give the link of this page in the description below. You can visit and check all the sales options and all the coupons from this page. And guys, here is parcel of our PCBWay.com. Now we can unbox it and check the quality. You can see that here is some stickers from PCBWay.com, and here is some gift, small pen from PCBWay.com with PCBWay logo. And guys, here is our PCB. You can see that. Now we can unpack it and check the quality of PCB. And guys, you can see that here is our total 5 PCBs from PCBWay.com. You can see that the quality of our PCB is looking very great, and the strength of our PCB is also good. You can see that the quality of our logo silk layer is also looking good. And first of all guys, we need TT motor with 4 wheels, and second we need HRS04 sensor ultrasonic, and also we need SG90 servo motor, and also we need motor driver shield for Arduino Uno, and also need Arduino Uno R3. And now we can attach our PCB on PCB holder and insert all the electronics component in our PCB. So first of all, we can attach TT motor with TT wheels and 4 motors with 4 wheels. You can see that. And here is our PCB, and now we can attach all the wheels on our PC. And first of all guys, we customize our PCB before installing our wheels. So you can see that guys, I cut extra pieces of our PCB with the help of a saw, and you can see that now I can use cable tie and attach our 4 wheels in our PCB with the help of this cable tie. You can see that I attach first wheel, and here is our second wheel, and here is our third wheel, and here is complete 4 wheels on our PCB. You can see that our robot is looking very great, and now we can add some nuts and bolts for adding our Arduino Uno on our PCB. You can see that I attach 4 bolts on our PCB and add Arduino Uno on this bolt with the help of screws. And here is is our Arduino Uno. You can see that now we can attach our Arduino Uno in our PCB, and also we can attach our L293D motor driver shield on our Arduino Uno. And here is our SG90 motor, and now we can install our SG90 motor on the front side of our PCB. You can see that. And also we can attach ultrasonic sensor on the top of our servo motor. You can see that I paste our ultrasonic sensor on our servo motor, and now we can attach 4 wires of ultrasonic sensor on our PCB with the help of soldering iron. And now these 4 wires I attach with Arduino Uno. You can see that I attach 4 wires with the help of soldering iron on our Arduino Uno or motor shield. And now we can attach our 4 motors wiring with help of our soldering iron on our PCB. Guys, you can see that I attach all the 4 motors on our Arduino Uno motor driver shield. And guys, you can see that our obstacle wiring robot is now ready for testing. Now first of all we add 18650 cells, and you can see that our obstacle wiring robot is now working. You can see that, guys. You can see that, guys, our obstacle avoiding robot is now working good. You can see that. So guys, I hope you will enjoy this video, and you can see that our obstacle avoiding robot is now working good. And you can see that when any obstacle came in the front of this sensor, this will be change the direction with the help of Arduino Uno programming and by using this servo motor. So if you want to make this type of obstacle avoiding robot, please visit PCBWay.com and make high quality PCBs from PCBWay. You can see that I also make these PCB from PCBWay.com. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and also watch this video to your kid to make this type of obstacle avoiding robot at home. And also don't guys visit PCBWay, link in the description below. So guys, I will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.